Good morning, guys. Let's do a 11-minute quick introduction. Right. Yeah. I don't want to be making my videos so long. So since we meet four times, yeah, we meet four times, five. I can keep each 20 or in the range of 10, 20, some other. So at least by the end of the video, it's just 50 minutes or 40 minutes better. Because by now, I'm sure if you've watched all the previous videos, you know uh, my analysis and what I'm trying to do. So if you remember, these are the pairs that we chose yesterday. And I explained why. So let's see if market is respecting the levels. First is AUD and the USD. Let's see if this is wow. Price ended up making a high in the forward time frame. This is our high low. But still I need that shift. Either way on the forward now on the I need the retest on the forward time frame. Okay. Yeah, it's just that price ended up buying up a bit. But I still need price to come by here so I can buy. Next is Euro card. This pair always with these kind of movements where price just starts from. Okay, but this is better because at least it doesn't build this point of retest with any wick. So and the fact that price hasn't filled this, so it's a chance that price will come back here for our time frame and we can enter this. What I just didn't like in this trade is after waiting for all this, price never gave an entry. Uh, so the best way is just to wait for that to happen. Same in the lower time frames, you can see it even looks cleaner. Uh, so you see why I always tell you when price shifts and nothing respects the pivot, price will always come back to retest it and see what it did. So if Eurocard respected this level and bought, this wouldn't have happened. Okay? But the fact that this wasn't respected, price will come back. Same with this level here. This MP I'm trading right now. Why price came back at this point is when price broke, it never retested this level. So even this pair, if price retests a bit here with a weak pullback or a full candle retest, that's fine because it has to show me that it's holding. Okay. But I'm just shocked that price never actually retested and opened with this uh kind of momentum. Yeah, but anyway, who am I to say anything, right? So we're running around 1 to 2. I imagine this used to be my trade back then. Then that's why I give up. Imagine. So it was easy to catch. It was easy to obtain. Okay. But then when you come to think about it, is uh I would end up losing more, maybe twice, and still want to remain profitable. And most of the trades, they ended up buying more. So like this pair, it's easily for you to just buy more and come back here. And even if it doesn't do that, it's fine. Okay? Because if you look at the daily, uh price is clearly showing you that there is much potential of it coming back here. You see? So why not wait for that? Okay. Yeah. And our minimum is 1, 2, 3, so plus I'm a swing trader, so that's fine with me. Okay. So AUD like this, in this case, you can see price respected this point, you see, in the daily time frame, the pivot. That's why my main concern is here because I know this level has been retested with this weak pullback, you see. Eurocard, also I need price to come and retest this break here. You can see we don't have any weak pullback at this point. So it's very much likely that price can come back here. GBP uh, price is retesting. Just need one more 4 hour retest and the next 4 hour to give me the engulfing. And this would be ready for buys. Same with Euro USD. I just need price to come back here to be ready for buys. AUD, NZD USD price has tested. So now I need an engulfing to show me if this is the point where price is intending to buy or price wants to buy at this level. You know, this candle will show me. That's the good part. Yeah. And then this pair, uh, will be holding until this level max. Would have till this level. But I know price can even come back here. I know that. I will see how the daily close. Bitcoin. The 4 is bullish. Uh, so it's shifted now. So if it can retest here and give us an engulfing, we can sell. Simple analysis. Use our USD. What did I say about this pair? Oh, has tested the level here. Uh, 2 hours. Problem is everything is bearish, so except the 30 minutes. So maybe the best case is waiting for the 30 minutes to shift. Probably here. Since it's already bullish, making a high, then a shift, then a sell. My favorite. Oh, what happened? Look what they did to you. What they did to my friend. I think now market is no longer being moved by oil because this would have happened in all these pairs. Mm, at this point, this gap will be filled. So at this point, I'll just wait. Mm, this one, I was looking for sales here. Okay. Mm. This one, I was looking for sales, but price ended up stopping people because it's a new month. So again, if the 4 hour retest shifts there, goes bearish, I will still look for an opportunity to sell. Okay. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next session. God bless you all. Uh, uh, so this is market update. My trade right now is has come back to respect this level. So now what I need is price breaking above this level. Then we can see what we can do. Okay. Mm. Don't be worried about this retest. Don't be worried about this retest. It's just those the Canadian dollar is having a bank holiday. So don't worry about this at all. Price will soon balance out and you'll soon be enjoying these buys, okay? So it's just a mere retest. And you remember very carefully how I'm patient with this trade, as you can see. I'm not moved by the outcome. Price has retested, cool, still wait, okay? If price once can even retest all the way down here, I'll still be fine. And then go up or go down, okay? Because I've already entered and I've put all my knowledge and understanding in this market. So, in this trade, so now it's the market to do its job, okay? To show me if this trade wasn't just going up. Oh, that's what happened because everything is okay. We followed all the rules. We didn't break any. So it's just us waiting for price to review to us what it has installed for us. Okay. Remember, for price to always push up, it need more buyers, right? So since price already pushed up here, it's just coming back to get more buyers who will make price break above here. Okay. They need more buyers to make this price mm, go up here. Okay. That's how the markets work. Since it failed to buy more here, you can see price sold a bit. So it's just coming back here to grab more buyers so you can have that final buy. Don't worry about this, it's very normal. In every trend you experience that. Okay. So let's just wait and see how the market plays out. Example just here. Look at this. Look at what's going on here. Price bought, you can see, but when price came back, when price reached this high, Price came back, got more buyers, price bought more, you see? But again, when price reached this high, price came back, got more buyers at this level. And what did price do? Price bought more. You see, that's how price works. So you just have to be ready for anything. Okay? Because sometimes buyers will be at this point. It's just buyers and sellers really exchanging money here. Okay? So some wants to buy, some want to buy here. Some, if I put at the daily time frame, you can clearly see that price is just retesting this break it had here. You can see price broke above this level. You see? So it's just retesting here this resistance. And if there are buyers here, price will buy more. If it won't find buyers, price may even come back and test this level and see if it can find buyers. Okay? So don't be discouraged by this red candle. Okay? It's just part of the market. Uh, that means wait a bit longer. Next is Bitcoin. Uh, Now first let me do the main pairs. This is NZD-USD. So I think by the look of things, you can clearly see the price has failed to respect this level where we're supposed to sell from. Uh, so the only way I can buy from here is if price breaks above and retests, and then we can buy respecting the forward trend, or if price decides to sell more, come back here and then shifts, yeah, we can buy more still. Okay, so it just depends on however the market presents itself with this trend. Yeah, but right now, this is what we have. Uh, Euro USD, quite almost the same thing. Just that price is having a deeper retest. So if this forward time frame can close right above this level, here, this would be a very nice trade to buy and put our stop there. Okay. So we have the retest. We now need the engulfing. Okay, I'm sure in the lower time frames, something also makes sense here. You can see even in the lower time frame, uh, something will make sense. In the 1 hour time frame, definitely something is making sense here. You can see price made the higher low, high, but made the lower high, lower low. So if price shifts, you have a new high, but you can tell that price might have this pivot. So if you get that break and the forward time frame, if you're not comfortable to buy, then wait for a retest and wait for the engulfing, and you get the other full confirmation in the lower time frame. Okay? So that's what we have in this one. GBP USD. So you can see that GBP USD today was just meant to sell. It's just that the card was in a holiday today. The banks, that's why you saw price a bit delay in the move. Okay, so but here where we are now is it's a point where price has to still buy because this might look scary to you, but if you see this in a weekly time frame, you bear with me that this price still wants to buy. Look at this. Look at this thing right here first. Look at this thing right here. This is a very strong head and shoulder, a very strong head and shoulders. And price has broken above the neckline, right? You can clearly see that. So this is just a retest of the neckline, okay? So just give it time. Very soon this trade will be at this pair will be here. Okay, so don't mind this unnecessary push. It's the first day of the month in the market, so expect a bit of rebalancing, okay? Yeah, and is if price can even close in this manner, there's a high chance when we wake up tomorrow, we might find price doing something like this. Okay? Mhm. So that's why I was also telling you in this pair, don't be discouraged with this drop. You can find price doing something like this tomorrow. Easily. Okay? Now, anyway, we'll let the market do its thing there. And if price ends up doing this, you can easily buy. Okay? Because you can see it's almost just the same thing I'm analyzing with Euro USD. You just need price to come back up there and shift, right? Retest and then you can buy. That's all. Okay. Mhm. You look at okay, price seem to be respecting this zone. But let's see if the retest gets more clear. And if we get a very perfect entry. Good part is the 1 hour is bearish. So this means we'll be here bearish in the 1 hour time frame. And if you're not comfortable with the 4 hour engulfing entry here, once price is at this level, you can use the 1 hour time frame to confirm it, then you can join in the buys just right there. Okay? That's right there. So that's it. And lastly is AD card price is finally at my level. The only thing is that we are bearish in the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So what we need is now price making a lower high, lower low, and shifting so we can buy more. Okay? Simple thing. I always say this. Next is Bitcoin USD. For some reason, prices we test in this level. You see, it's just the same thing I'm from telling you. Don't worry about a little pullback when you see it, and so the price will still respect it, even go further. See? So now price is just trying to respect this level. Again, this small level here, you see? Yeah, so if tomorrow the daily time frame by chance closes bearish, this will even sell more. It's just that unfortunately price didn't give an entry here and made the 4 hour bullish. So yeah, that's fine. I'm still hopeful that price will make this 4 hour go back bearish again tomorrow and we can catch a sell. Okay. So let's wait for that to happen. Okay. ZAR USD, almost the same thing. These pairs are just having, you see, the same thing. Right head, left head, right shoulder. Price is retesting, almost same thing. Then price retested the OG level here. So I think here, even the 2 hour time frame, mm, is giving you a very nice opportunity to sell when price at this level. Oh, same with the 1 hour time frame, but this is too big. This is too big. Let's do it this way. Yeah, this was supposed to be a very nice selling point. So when price comes back here, then we can see how we can sell this thing. Okay. Nasdaq, I didn't see any entry today. Hopefully we get a 4 hour shift. US 30, I didn't see anything. You can see price went directly the opposite. My friend, need him to fill this gap first. So I need him back in these levels, and let's see if he can give me something like this. So that's it for now, and I'll meet you guys at 10 p.m. to close. Okay? So this is our close, and I can see right now ZAR USD is mm, sorry, I'm still respecting this level. If you remember what I was saying, so hopefully by tomorrow we can have a 4 hour engulfing. Mm, breaking below this zone. Uh mm, Bitcoin, the same thing. Need the 4 hour shifting. My pair, mm, you can see we are still rejecting. I think just retesting the same level. So we'll see what tomorrow brings us. NZD like I said, it's either price breaks above this level and retest up here. Euro USD, it's either price breaks above this level or retest, and then retest and you can buy. uh, GPUSD, the same thing. Price should break above this level. Euro card, price should come back here, and then we can wait for just a shift. Then we can buy. And lastly, I need the 4 hour shift here. Then I retest, then I can buy. So thank you guys, and have a very lovely good night. Okay.